yes, they could change the 0 rate and the 20% rate and fiddle around with what is classified as one thing and the other. The other thing that's potentially more interesting is this whole mooted change potentially to the VAT threshold. So the VAT threshold currently is 90,000, but they've been talking about this for some time, right?
Yeah, so MTD, Making Tax Digital, came into play for VAT in April 2019. And
And what does that mean? Just so for people who
so
don't know what making tax digital is actually about.
so Making Tax Digital means that if you are
Sounds like the subject for a very boring podcast, but we'll come back to that.
if you're a VAT registered business, and your turnover is above, so effectively you're legally obliged to be a VAT registered business, then you have to file quarterly VAT returns, but effectively you have to keep your records electronically. You have to be able to file your VAT returns electronically, and I suppose it
So I guess we
obviously,
have to do that, right? Well, we don't do it.
yeah, I we
Oh,
prob
do you do it? I don't do it. I don't get involved in our VAT returns.
no, we let somebody else do that.
But that's the thing is like it goes through, and I guess the argument now is there are businesses that get to 85,000 and then they won't grow because they don't want to have to start charging VAT, because it's not like the VAT charging goes on top above 90. It's go right from zero once you register.
Exactly, and you've got some businesses who will work with other businesses, and, assuming you're a VAT registered business working with another VAT registered business, you charge them the VAT, they pay the VAT, you pay that over to HMRC, but on the other end, they can claim that VAT back. So kind of if you're talking with, like, if you're working with other businesses, the needing to charge VAT element of it isn't gonna make a massive difference, but if you're working with the end client, so an individual, then they can't claim the VAT back. So all of a sudden, you then have to make a bit of a decision whether you want to take the hit yourself on the VAT, because as you say,
And
you
it's
could
20% as well. Like you
ex
could literally kill 20% of your turnover.
exactly. If you were gonna take that on, or alternatively, you could end up going, "Well, I can't take the hit on fully. I'm gonna have to up
My prices.
my prices," which then could obviously put clients off, send them in other directions.